Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this video, I will be unboxing the Spiritu Box. So if you don't know what Spiritu is, it is a seasonal subscription box for Latinas by Latinas, but it's not only for Latinas, anybody can get it. It is to support other Latina entrepreneurs and artisans around the world. And this design here, this beautiful box that you see here was made, the design, was made by Sonia Romero. She is an artist, and the way she does her art is amazing. She does it by paper and cuts it out every detail. Like, I'll put a link down below so you can see her process. It's beautiful. So yeah, so she created the cover for this box, and let's read a little bit more about her. The box is designed by artist Sonia Romero. It has over $160 worth of beauty and lifestyle products from some of our favorite brands. Sonia is known for her printing, paper cutting, painting, and public art. The design is part of her series entitled Inner Landscape, which depicts our internal emotions and energies in symbolic form, which I love because it's like a floral tattoo around her body, and then she's holding her heart, and then in her shirt right here it says Spiritu, and it's beautiful and it's inspiring, and it's really what this subscription box is all about. So we're going to open it up inside. We do have a $20 off gift card for Zano, so I'll put the link down for that if you want to get it. I did a video before, didn't like the way it came out, so I'm redoing the video. So the first product that we got was from Bodyography Skin. It is 3 pairs of under eye masks. These are $26 for 3 of them. Craziness, I know. Oh, this is the inside of it. Isn't it beautiful? And green is my favorite color, so I'm keeping this box forever. These Margaret Elizabeth stud earrings, but they're hoops, but they go in as studs. This is $78. This beautiful, beautiful, beautiful handmade keychain from Peru. It doesn't have a price, but it's part of the... Let me read it to you. It says, Spiritu is honored to feature this keychain handmade by local female textile artisans from, I cannot pronounce this, but I'm going to put the 2 places up here, and it's in Peru. We are proud to support these artisans through Sustainable Preservation Initiative, CPI. CPI empowers local entrepreneurs, over 85% of whom are women, to alleviate poverty and preserve their past by creating jobs that are dependent on the preservation of cultural heritage sites. So I love that this is helping other women as a cause, which is like what my bracelets are for Puravida. I'll put a link down below for that, and I also put a link down below for more information about this, and obviously Spiritu in total. Then the next thing we have is a limited edition nail polish from Spiritu. It's Halo Color Lab Pale Montilla. It is Llama Los Bomberos. It's called the Fire Department. And it is a bright red nail polish. I'm trying to get it out the box one-handed here. You know, using mommy skills. But yeah. And this is what it looks like. It's a cute little box, and that's the color. Very bright red. Then the next thing we have is this Donna Karan Cashmere Mist Deodorant, and it smells delicious. I already smelled this, and it smells amazing, and I hope my skin smells as amazing as this. I might get addicted to this, so we'll see. I think this is, what, $15 or $20? And then we have the Clinique High Impact Mascara, which is very exciting. This is $9.50. It says, the book says $9.50, but when I googled it, it was like $12. So then the next thing we have is the Ultacare conditioner from Dove, and this smells, again, amazing. Here. And then the last thing but not least is this cute little book bag from Zano Active. It says, think it, want it, get it. Zano. Beautiful. It's so cute. Perfect now for the springtime. And that was everything that was in the Spiritu Box. So if you want to get the Spiritu Box, I'll put a link down below. I'm not sure if there's a promotion going on for $10 off. But yeah, it's only $39.99 4 times a year. So I think that's an amazing deal. And you also help other women, Latina women, but other women around the world, and help support them, get them away from poverty and all the crises that are happening in South America at the moment. So yeah, so like always, like and subscribe. Well, if you like this video, please like and subscribe so you can see more videos. And thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Have a great day, afternoon, or evening, whatever time you're watching. Bye now.